Hello boys, we'll start Photoshop today. So we will discuss the basics of Photoshop. So this is version 2021. Okay, so this one. Then we will select on create, and by default this one, or you can change how much canvas you want. By default, okay, we'll take this your screens item, this one, and create. See, so this is the interface. We call it interface of the Photoshop. This is system menu. This is option bar. This is tool menu. This one tools, selection tools are there, crop tools are there, text tool is there. Okay, so all these tools will use. And this is canvas where we'll place the images, and these are known as panels. Okay, and this is layer panels, and this is also known as canvas but layers also. So here we'll place the layers. So in Photoshop, this is the beauty of the Photoshop. It handles images on different layers. It seems they are on single page, but exactly they are not on one page. They are on different page. Okay, so we will insert layers from here. See layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. So we are see layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. Now how to insert images? So go to file and place embedded and select images, any images you have, like Photoshop images I will give you. So right now I am just inserting for practice this image. See this image is here, so we will just for example here press enter key. This is on, and the image name, layer name will change with that. Okay, now go to layer 2 and place another image, place embedded, for example this one. Hit enter key. Okay, now go to layer 3 and place embedded, layer number, image number 3. We will place here. Hit enter key. Now go to another layer, layer 4, and place another object, for example Edinburgh property, this one. So we want to place it here. Now we create another layer. See layer 1 will come because 1 2 3 change with the image name. So click here and place another object or image, for example this one. Okay, so place for example here and hit enter key. Now if you want to move this, so you go to that layer. For example, what was the name of this terrier? So click here. Now press Ctrl T. See that image selected. Transform. So you can place it here. For example, you want to select this. This was Edinburgh. Select this. Click on that layer and Ctrl T. See, you want to enlarge it, for example. So enlarge it and hit enter key. So see, 5 images we placed. It seems it is on one page, but they are on a separate layer. See, this view is an indicator layer visibility. Make it visible or invisible. For example, Edinburgh, we don't want to show this here. Just click here. See, it will not come. You don't want to show this image, uncheck this. Okay, you want to show this, you want to show again. See, so different images on different layers. So Edinburgh is here, we want to make it big, for example. Okay, so see here and here also. Now hit enter key. Now see, we want to bring this dog in front of this, terrier also in front of this. So bring terrier here. See terrier here. Okay, next largeness in front of this, it is already in front, so we will bring dog this layer before this. See, it is coming here. And next is giraffe, so we will bring this giraffe this before this. See, it will come here. Okay, so like this we will arrange images from here. You want to show some images background, some in front, so we will change the order. So see, so the image which is on background, this Edinburgh, it should be last here, and then before this all you want to show. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you now. This is a basic. Okay.